Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will share with you how to make simple and very delicious over baked fish roll. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So in a pot I have already washed mackerel fish and I will season with some crushed seasoning cube, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, chopped onions. Now we add in some water and then cover to cook completely. Now the fish is ready. I will go ahead to carefully debone it. And if today is your first time coming across the channel, my name is Rebecca and you are very welcome. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate and I love you guys so much. Thank you. And after deboning, I will go ahead to use fork to mash the fish. Then it will look like this. Then I will keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add some cooking oil into the pot, follow with some chopped onions. Then fry for a minute. After that, add in some chopped scotch bonnet pepper. Now add in the fish. And then give it a quick stir, and you are going to make sure you taste your fish. So from there you know how you are going to add a little bit of salt and seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add some curry powder and a little bit of thyme and smoked paprika. And now what I'm using here, both the fish and the ingredients are totally optional, so if you don't use it, it's fine. So next I will add a little bit of water, leave it for about 2 minutes. Now the fillings is ready. Remove from heat and keep it aside to cool down. In a bowl I have 4 cups of flour. I'll go ahead to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix. And after mixing the dry ingredients all together, I will add 250 grams of butter. Then I will mix properly to combine. Next, I will add 1 large egg and then keep mixing. So it's all about mixing. So right now, as I'm mixing, I'll be adding milk little by little. So for the milk, I'm using 1.5 cup. Keep mixing until a perfect dough is made. So as I'm doing it now, I'm not going to place it on a flat surface to knead. So there's no knead in this recipe. So here it is, guys. So right now I'll cover and keep it aside to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In here I have prepared the pan and I have also on the oven to be preheat. So right now, we'll go ahead to divide the dough into 4 parts. And then roll and add the filling. So right now we're going ahead to cut the fish roll to my desired length. You can cut the length on how you prefer. Yeah. So right now guys, I will gently apply the egg wash. So from the beginning, when I was making the dough, you saw one large egg I kept aside. So that is what I'm using right now. And after applying this, I'll bake 150-degree in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, right now fish roll is ready. And if you find this recipe helpful and you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, a huge thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. So guys, this fish roll is very delicious and super soft, and you can pair this with any of your favorite drink. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment, and I will hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now and stay blessed.